In every choice we make, there is a cost. For decades, the world has relied on animal leather, a material born from life but processed through harm. Tanning chemicals, heavy metals, waste that endures for generations. We believed there was no other way. But nature has always held another answer. From the unseen networks beneath our feet, life begins to weave new matter. Soft, strong, and alive with possibility. This is Mycerra, a pure mycelium mat engineered for structural independence and ecological integrity. Not imitation leather, not a substitute, a new category of material. We begin by cultivating pure mycelium, then planting it into its growth matrix. Here, Mycerra's proprietary method guides the mycelium to grow evenly and consistently. The result is a naturally dense structure, not thin, not fragile. So we require no non-woven fabric, no reinforcement layer. The strength comes from the mycelium itself. This allows Mycerra to be cut, stitched, and shaped just like leather. Not artificial, not assembled. It is grown naturally, precisely, purposefully. It is a new generation of biomaterial. Softer than leather, stronger than expectation. Mycerra is pure. No backing, no fillers, no compromise. Our vision is to redefine how the world creates and consumes materials. This is where the next chapter of fashion begins, with purity, structure, and integrity. From fungi to future.